Hello everyone, my name is Ensofia binti Sulaiman, metric number 2200962. I am from group 3 with my two other members, which is Isha Natasha Fazlina binti Razak, metric number 2200964, and Nur Julaiha binti Muhammad Pagal, metric number 2200965. We'll be presenting about depression. So based on the prompt given, we then made up a character named Zali as the person who dealt with depression that once made an attempt to end his life. There are multiple factors of college life contribute to the risk of depression. Students are unprepared for university life. One of the major problems faced by today's generation is college debt. They also have fewer job prospects after graduation than previous generations. This added concern can lead to depressive episodes among college students. Performance pressures and exams stress are common for anyone. However, for young people with depression, coping with normal levels of stress while having other emotional issues to deal with would be difficult, especially for those in higher education, college and universities. Workload could be hard to manage during depressive periods, and some receive examination to worsen their depression.
Based on the three analytical tools provided, we choose the 5 why to brainstorming the cause of Zali's depression. The first why, we came out with, why do Zali have depression? It is because he has a lot of assignment. Zali is a student of University X. He is a first year at the university. Lately, he has been experiencing depression often. The second why is, why study and assignment were the reason to his depression. It is because he is a busy person. He doing part-time job during his spare time, which is every weekend. In addition, he runs on an online business where he needs to generate income. And the third why did it happen? Because Zali has lack of skill in time management. And the fourth why he had bad time management? It is because he's busy doing his part-time job that makes him keep delaying his assignment and finally not be able to finish it on time. And the last, why did he do part-time job? Because of family financial problem. Zali needs money to survive, but his family is unable to provide sufficient finance for him, and thus he is reluctant to ask and prefers to try generate his own income to lessen the burden.
Now we go to the solution. College is a stressful environment for most young people. Therefore, it is important for parents, friends, faculty, and chancellor to get involved if they suspect a student is suffering from depression. The best treatment for college students with depression are usually a combination of antidepressant medication and talk therapy such as cognitive behavioral therapy and interpersonal psychotherapy. Depressed students are also more likely to benefit from exercise, eating healthy diet, and getting enough stress than normal students. In conclusion, please remember that depression is a common and treatable mental health condition. You do not have to cope with this alone. If you or someone you know is suffering from such a disease, please reach out for help immediately. If you are depressed, feel that you may be depressed, or just can't seem to find joy in anything, it's probably time for you to talk with a professional. I think that's all from us. Thank you.